Hi, everyone. I'm a dad who loves baking bread for my family every week. Today, we're making a nostalgic Japanese-style spaghetti bread. It's simple to make, and my family loves it. We'll use milk in the dough to make it soft and fluffy. Then we add 2 grams of dry yeast and a pinch of sugar to start the After pre-fermentation, we add strong flour, sugar, salt, and olive oil. Mix until there's no dry flour left. Then let the dough rest for 15 minutes to hydrate before kneading it in the bowl. 生地が一塊になったら、ここで一旦15分ほど休ませて水和させます。時間を置くことで、生地が自然に落ち着いて、後からこねやすくなります。Once kneaded, we let the dough rise until it doubles in size. During this time, we prepare the spaghetti filling. Cook the noodles slightly soft, then mix with ketchup, consomme, and olive oil. Generously sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. Now, we just wait for the dough to finish rising. Both the bread and the spaghetti are ready to come together. After the first rise, the dough has puffed up nicely and looks perfect. Gently press it with your finger if the indentation slowly springs back. The dough is ready. Now, let's divide the dough. Cut it into the portions you need, and gently shape each piece into a ball. Taking your time with this step will help the bread bake into a nice, even shape. Cover the shaped dough with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out, and let it rest for a short while. This is called the bench time. By leaving it alone gently, the dough relaxes and becomes easier to handle. Now it's time to shape the dough. Gently punch out the gas, roll it with your hands, and form it into a long, hot dog-shaped loaf. Shaping the dough and feeling its soft texture is one of the joys of baking. I imagine my family enjoying this bread and carefully shape each piece one by one. Once the final rise is complete, it's time to bake the bread. Watching the dough rise and puff up as it feels the heat, this might be my favorite moment in baking. Slice the bread in half and gently open it. Then generously fill it with the spaghetti we made earlier. Add a boiled egg on the side, and our spaghetti bread is ready. Add a boiled egg on the side, and our Japanese-style spaghetti bread is complete. This is a classic bread in Japan, something almost everyone has tried. Simple, nostalgic, and a big hit with the whole family.